For those Amazon affiliates out there, you noticed a while ago that Amazon changed it so when you go to get a product link, now you just get a link. You don't actually get the embedded image and code that you can actually enter, which makes it a little less likely to be clicked on, in my opinion. So I don't know why Amazon did that. But anyway, to compensate for that, a few companies have come out with WordPress plugins that you can use. So I decided to give one a try. It's by this person, Michael Uno, whoever he is, Auto Amazon Links. And now I'm going to walk you through how I installed it and if it works or not. So you jump over into your site, go plugins, add new plugin, and search for that Auto Amazon Links one. It's the first one listed. Hit install. Activate. So I'm going to jump to my settings. First thing you want is your associate's information. You can go to your Amazon affiliate accounts to grab your associate ID and your API. So if you don't have an API, when you're in your affiliate program site, if you go to Tools, go to Product Advertising API, and then you have an option of Add Credentials. I've already done this, so I don't need to do it again. But once you have that API, so it'll give you the access key, and then it's also going to give you a secret key. I've read online that some people, when they copied and pasted their secret key in, that they had issues with it not formatting correctly. So make sure to give it a check and make sure it matches. And if not, maybe you can try pasting it into a notepad and then pasting it into here. Choose your location and all that kind of stuff. So when I did this before and went check API, I got an error. So let's see. Yeah, see, so same thing, which is actually a different error than the previous one that I got before. Now, having said that, I was still able to set this up. So I'm going to hit submit here. So my guess is it's linked more to your associate ID than the API. I don't know anything about this company or this product, so take that as a bit of a warning before you do anything. You do want to go to your disclosure because Amazon does require you have a disclosure page. So in there, just start typing DIS for a disclosure, click on it, and then I'm just going to leave everything at the default and hit Save Changes. Okay, now we want to set this up. So if you go over here to your left, you've got all of these options here. I'm just going to jump to the Add Unit by Category one. And this gives us these options for categories. So you can get more specific if you want, but for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm just going to literally say bestsellers and new releases, because that's what I'm going to select here. You can choose the number of items you want to show. I don't want to show a lot. I don't like it when I go to websites and people have way too many ads and other crap on it. And everything else I'm going to leave to the default. And down here on the right, hit proceed. Now you're going to get taken into this page where you should get a category list. There we go. So if you get that, just hit reload like I just did. Since this is a photography site, I'm going to go electronics for mine. You can choose whatever you want. Or maybe I'll go something else because of that error. So it does seem to be a bit buggy. I don't know if that's on Amazon's end or this company. More specific if you want, or leave it very generic. So I'm just going to leave it at computers and accessories with everything underneath. Hit this option here, add category, and then it's going to go for an option of create. Okay, now this is set up so you can change it if you want. So you can change the name. You can go, maybe you decided you want to add top rated or something like that. You can change the order, all that you could do on the previous one. You can change your store ID, that kind of stuff. So you can change settings. For the purpose of this, I'm just going to leave everything at the default, but play around there a bit if you want. Since I did make one change, let me hit update here real quick. Change your categories, that's fine. All right, now I want to go to the manage ad units. And you can see I'm going to get here. Now that I've got that one set up, I've got my shortcodes. So you can then copy your shortcodes and go to a new post or existing posts. I'm just going to grab this existing one for the purpose of the demonstration. Switch over to my text view, paste the shortcode in, and now when I go update, and let's open that up, and notice now that I've got those ads. So my concern when I first tried this was that maybe whoever created this plugin is getting some kind of a taking a portion of it. But if you do click on the ad, you do see that it does show your affiliate ID. So beyond that, I literally just installed this and decided to record a video on it. So I don't know how well it works and tracks, but it seems well reviewed. Looking at the reviews, they've got a lot of good reviews. 4.5 out of 92. So let's give it a try and find out. So if it works for you and you're happy with it, leave a comment below in the notes. If it does not, also leave a comment in the notes below to find out. I just decided to give it a try and record a video to feed the black hole of YouTube that's always wanting new content. Let's see some of the other features in here that you can use. So if I jump back over to it, is you can do auto insert, which will basically set it up so like what I did there is I went and pasted the shortcode into that page. You can turn an auto insert on, which will automatically paste stuff into pages. And as you can see, you get more details within there as well. There's a templates option, so you can see the different templates that you can work with. So for example, like instead of what I was using was the category template, you've got image templates, that kind of stuff. So I'm not going to go into everything, mostly because, like I said, I just started playing with this and have not really used it all that much. But having said that, so far it seems all right, and I haven't had any problems with it. My guess is they probably make money by offering some, additional features for an upgrade, that kind of stuff. Guess we'll find out.